Welcome to another episode of 125's Fake ID. Can I have a huge round of applause from everyone?
This is fun, bro.
25, 26, 27!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Today, as avid IFBB pro bodybuilders on the panel today, we are going to be guessing the gym bro. I think in the entire panel, I'm the only one who goes to the gym somewhat consistently. So I think I'll be the front runner in this one. I should be able to guess a gym bro because I see them almost every day. So.
Never in my life I thought I ever would say it, but I'm going to follow a man, and it's John T, because he knows what to do in the gym, I guess.
Super pumped. Because don't know.
Again now, as has been happening for all the episodes, with the magic of VFX, the contestants will appear in a puff of unbranded protein powder. 1, 2, 3, whoosh! Oh my god! Here are 6 people and they are all claiming to be gym bros. However, only one of them is telling the truth. It's our job to figure out who the actual gym bro is. Round by round, we'll vote out one person at a time, and if we get it right, we win. But if we get it wrong, the liar wins a cash prize. This is 125's Fake ID. Well, now we have 6 fresh contestants and we're gonna go in round 1. Ask each of you all to introduce yourself, what's your name and how often you've been going to the gym for.
My name is Jonathan. I've been working out for 5 years now.
Okay.
But it's not working out.
Damn. Oh no. Damn. Arnab.
Relax. The first round.
Beat him up. Yeah. Contestant 2.
Later.
Okay, so myself Bhavna, and I've been working out for 2 years now.
Okay.
Myself Ashwini, I've been working out for 1.5 years.
1.5 years.
My name is Sibam, and I've been working out for 4 years.
I don't know the context, but Sibam is such a funny name. What the hell is going on?
Just laughing at people's names.
You know who Sibam is?
No.
Bro,
I don't know who Sibam is.
there's no way he's Sibam. No one can ever be Sibam.
My name is Dia, and I've been working out for past 4 years.
I'm Ishita, and I'm working out from past 3 years.
We got it. What is your current workout split looking like?
It's push-pull legs.
Push-pull legs.
First day cardio, second day backs and biceps. Day I go for triceps and abs, and then I work it out. Legs I do it on.
He does the bro
on
split.
Sunday.
I just go for cardio first day. Then next day is like arms. Then core, like
Core.
abs, leg day, and last cardio again. So I do it like one day and then take a gap and then go for the next day. So it's PPL. And then on the last day, like on Sunday or something, I'll be like, okay, today I should maybe hit abs. It depends on my mood, basically.
On your mood. Okay.
I like that.
yeah.
I
Depends
like
on my
that.
mood.
That's very honest.
yeah.
Yeah,
Very
I like
honest.
that.
But do gym bros just do on their mood? They have a structure. No actual self-respecting gym bro would do that. Lies.
So I do calisthenics. So I do hybrid training. So it's weight training and calisthenics.
Okay. So I think that concludes round 1. We just wanted to get a sense of who you guys are. So we're not going to eliminate anybody this round. We're going to move into round 2. So all of you make it. We're going to move through to round 2. Everybody has made it. So yeah, give a big, small hand for yourself. Round 2. In-depth interrogation. Alright? I'm going to ask you all questions that a person who goes to the gym should know. Okay? Leg day. How many exercises do you do?
7.
Huh?
I do 7.
What do you do?
Squats,
Squats,
lunges,
lunges.
uh,
You can show us.
They
if you
all
don't know the
come
names.
crawling back because I know you skip leg day. Contestant number 6. 7 exercises for leg day. Can name only 2. Nice. All right. How much protein do you intake in a day? What's your protein intake?
50.
50. All right. Okay. And how do you get your protein?
Shakes.
Shakes. Okay. How many grams of protein in one scoop of protein shake on average?
20.
20. Okay.
You don't know.
Do you take any supplements?
No.
Nothing. So no protein, no.
Oh, that I take.
What else do you take?
Just protein.
This protein.
Everything natural.
Everything natural. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Do you take any supplements? No.
No. Just
One
natural
MJ
water. No synthol, nothing.
No synthol.
No, it's just chicken breasts and eggs.
Chicken breast and eggs. So you don't take any sort of like protein or creatine.
No, I am lactose intolerant.
Okay.
So,
Got
yes,
it.
I
got
skipped
it.
that.
Now, the panel is gonna send in their votes. So this round, 2 people are going to be eliminated. So only 4 of you all will be moving into round 3. All right. Sim.
Contestant number 2 and 3, because I think y'all fumbled really, really hard when he asked y'all. Yeah.
Same. You guys fumbled hard, but yeah.
For me, it's 2 and 3, yeah.
For me, it's 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Yeah.
So that's
I feel like he's lying. I just don't know.
All right. Contestant 2 and 3. You guys have been eliminated. Please leave. Thank you. Big round.
Thank you. Woo!
Good job. Good job.
Round 3. Contestant number 1, 4, 5, and 6. This round, we're gonna have some gym ethics questions asked from the panel. Ready?
Question to you. Imagine you're in a gym. You're using a machine, and there's a really pretty, like really hot girl who's there.
Hot girl.
Like
bro.
super hot. And she's like, hi, can I please use the machine? But you're not done yet. You just started.
Okay.
Would you give it to her?
Alternate.
Or would you finish? Huh?
We would alternate.
Alternate.
So I do my set first,
Uh-huh.
and then she go on her set.
What is the global universal sign of alternate in the gym? Yeah, okay. Just had to make sure, you know, they say.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
What's in your gym bag? What do you take along with you?
Shoes.
You're not
a
wearing-
bottle of.
He's
whey-
right. Okay.
Gym shoes specifically, and then there's a whey protein bottle with which has already protein in it, and I just go there, add water in it, and then use it whenever I need. Skipping ropes, and I keep it necessarily because where I go, they don't keep it. I don't know why. And then the rope. What is it called? Stretch bands.
Okay, so like if you're at the gym and you're like alternating with somebody, okay, and they smell like shit, like do you tell them, what do you do, what's your response?
Oh no, I don't usually tell them because
Okay.
you know it's like a sweaty environment. Can't help it. You know, even if you have deodorized and everything.
What's the dirtiest, stinkiest, most unhealthy thing you ate to cheat on your diet?
Ice cream. So cute, such a safe.
What is the dirtiest, stinkiest one? Ice cream. And at round 3, we've been, let's say, warmed up. Gym slang. So the panel's gonna go one by one and cast their votes. We're gonna be eliminating one person this round. Nidhi.
I think it's her, contestant number
6.
6.
Okay.
Yeah, number 6.
For me, it has to be contestant number 4 because for some reason I can't take you seriously.
For me, it's 4.
We'll change it then.
Yeah, I'm sticking with 4.
You change.
4. Minus 4 only.
You change.
4 guys, what do I say? What do I say?
He gets peer pressure so easily.
If he turns out to be the gym bro, I will get the 10,000.
Listen. Go
Sure.
home.
Contestant number 4, it's been great, but you will have to lunge your way out of the set. Thank you. Thank you.
Do it, Dolan.
Round 4, we can't do a gym episode unless we see your form. Quite possibly my biggest fears in the gym, doing an exercise and looking goofy. So today, we're going to have the 3 contestants show us their form with a quick game of bluff. So how the game works is, the topic that you're going to be bluffing about is push-ups. Each one's going to tell us how many push-ups they can do. The second the contestant thinks another one is lying, they'll say bluff and you have to show us. Got it? With you, how many push-ups do you think you can do?
10.
10, 12,
12,
12,
20.
20,
22.
22.
Oh.
23.
25.
26.
She's bluffing.
She's like, you have to hit us with 26 push-ups. It's not physically possible for her to do 26 push-ups, or I am just projecting. Let's see. All right. You know, when she did this, that's when I knew I messed up.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
One.
One.
Two. Okay, don't know about the
Three,
ROM over there.
four,
4, 5, 6,
Yeah, let's go.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Crazy.
11,
Nice.
12, 13, 14, 15,
Easy, come on.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Six more, come on.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
Yeah.
28,
Three more, easy.
29,
Come on, 2 more.
30.
Killed it, bro. Killed it.
I can't do 1. How did she manage to do 30?
You have proved yourself.
Now
Onto these two.
These two will bid against each other.
You know what we have you both do? Wall sits. Alright? How many seconds can you hold a wall sit?
20 seconds.
45 seconds.
45
seconds. 45
45 seconds?
I think I can do a minute.
A minute.
He's bluffing.
Ooh, okay, a 1 minute wall sit.
A 1 minute was.
A 1 minute wall sit. Your timer starts now. Think about it. Think about all the lies you've told. Think about everything in your life that you've lied about. Everything in your life has led up to this moment. Your studies, your degree, your relationships,
Focus,
all has
focus.
led up to this
Focus.
remaining
Breathe,
28
focus.
seconds.
34 seconds up.
Not
That's
bad.
me in the
His
washroom.
fitness is
Easy, come on.
He's not shivering.
Yeah, he's not
He's,
shivering.
Is the
he's
posture
He's not
right?
dead yet.
Yeah. Can you go a little deeper, Jonathan?
I think, yeah, a little over.
Go deeper.
Yeah.
Lower, yeah.
Yeah, Jonathan, yeah. Feel it.
So casual, bro.
Feel it. It looks like
not even
Bro, is there a chair there? He's
Oh, bro,
Holy
there's a chair.
shit!
There's a chair, bro.
I
No, you're cheating. Get up.
How long do you think you can go for?
Maybe 2 minutes. I've done longest I've done is 2 minutes.
How long do you think you've been going on for now?
It's been a long time since I've done this.
No, now. How long do you
Now?
think you've been going for?
45 seconds.
Correct.
Sure, bro. It's been a minute and 20 seconds. You've
Oh.
done it. You've done it. Huh.
That's easy, even I can do.
Yeah, I can't do that shit. Okay. I think that she's the only one who didn't do an exercise. So what should we have her do? Something hard. Plank?
You want me to carry you on squat?
No.
Okay, cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm actually pretty excited because I've put on 5 kgs, so I really don't think she can do it.
If she is able to do this, I think she's gonna make it very far.
Okay.
I'm excited. Let's do it. Squat it.
Come back.
Squat it. Squat it. Squat it. Oh god.
In her jeans.
In her jeans.
In her
bro.
jeans, bro. Only voice.
Okay. Straighten out.
Okay.
1.
Oh. No way.
This is fun, bro.
Insane.
Oh,
Okay.
I am 58 kg.
Good.
I am 58 kg.
I really think this is it because she's squatting sim. Like, it's crazy.
kg. All that?
All good. What, you want to do more?
You told 10.
I didn't.
Bro, she's like, I am the gym, bro.
Okay. Well, straight up. Big round of applause.
Insane. What was that? She wasn't stopping.
All right. All of y'all have shown very, very impressive feats of strength, but in my opinion, both of y'all killed it way more than him. So we're gonna ask you
No, I haven't
because
killed
because you are a supposed calisthenics king. Show me one good hard calisthenics skill.
Okay. I can do a handstand push-up against the wall.
A handstand push-up against the wall.
Damn.
Easy. All right, go for it.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's look at the dismount like it's the Olympics.
Easy.
Oh. Huh?
Come on, easy. 1.
Holy.
We are.
Another one. Easy. Come on.
Bro, 1 second.
Easy.
What
Yeah,
the
sexy.
hell?
This is too much nudity for an episode. Can you stop?
Wow.
Purposely you wanted to let that roll down, no? To see the abs and all. Okay, well that ends round 4.
We'll go home. I need to start working on.
That ends round 4. Let's quickly vote. This is going to be quite hard.
I think I'm gonna vote you out. 6.
I'm going to stick with you as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick with 6-2.
Maybe?
6-2 because I just feel genetically you're very strong. Like, I don't know if you're like kidding.
Number 6. It's been wonderful. Thank you so much. You have to leave.
Bye.
Round 5 protein shake. We can't go to gym without protein shake. I need both of you to make protein shake. 2 minutes time to make protein shake.
Make protein shake.
We go gym!
We go gym! We go gym!
Whoa.
Okay,
I hope they put kurkure.
open it out.
Yeah.
Get a sense, and in 2 minutes, I have to make the more dynamic, explosive diarrhea causing protein shake. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh
okay,
my God.
okay.
Yo, they put it all.
Both have decided to
They
put
put
some
it-
powder in.
Powder, yeah.
Some powder is in.
Okay. He closed the tiffin also, good guy. Dude!
There's warm, lukewarm
Warm,
temperature, room
set
temperature.
warm, dude.
There's no blender, so
Do it.
Oh my
What should you need?
This round was a mistake.
Just wipe it on his shirt.
I am not going to taste any of the things they're making.
Dude, stop milking the thing. Look how casual he is, bro.
go for it. I'm ready.
Go on.
Okay, one shake is ready.
One shake is ready.
Just like,
Come on.
You went like that.
Oh, good. Okay, done.
Done. Okay.
Okay,
Done.
okay. So we have 2 Frankenstein monsters looking protein shakes in front of us. Thank you guys. You may go back to your positions. Fro,
And now it's time for us.
this one has the banana in it. You can tell. Look at the shaker.
Yeah, it's like white.
Okay, we'll try this one first.
Okay, I'm going for the first sip.
Wait.
It's pretty good.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go. Chug, 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 chug.
Pretty good.
All that acting. Shit.
The banana was a not welcome surprise, but pretty good.
Now these two gotta taste it.
We
that'd be
both
nice.
have to taste it again.
Oh, acha, yeah.
Yeah.
How will I compare that?
Exactly. What the fuck?
Cool, let's all taste it.
No. Sim, you ruined our chances. It got stuck in the blending thing. It's fine. Look where it got stuck, bro.
Sim for real is not a gym bro. Look at him.
Look at this.
This is rigging the process.
It got
Camera,
sabotaged.
can you get this?
The drink
there's
is
kurkure stuck.
sabotaged.
It's for the salt.
No.
Sim, how can you do this to her?
No,
need
it's
to
that
shake it
Indian
first.
No,
twist.
just drink it.
Just
The
drink it.
Indian
Twist.
Indian twist.
Sorry,
No,
on
the
top.
kurkure is gonna come back.
Magic
We do
masala.
kurkure on top.
God help me.
I'm not chugging this, huh? Yuck.
Tastes the same.
Okay.
Yeah, same protein powder.
They're very different.
That's different.
Yeah,
Oh.
one was double chocolate, one was peanut butter chocolate.
Give me.
It's pretty
Both
good.
from my house, so I know the difference.
Well,
pretty
that
yum.
did not clear anything out.
It's nice only.
Damn
Wait,
good.
Mine is for the
Are
smoothness.
you getting the kurkure by any chance?
No,
right?
No.
Oh, so good. Nice. Okay. This concludes. Yes, the gym bro. All rounds are done. Our table is a mess. I hope our vendor doesn't see this because we're going to clean it and give it back. We're going to vote now.
Yeah.
No discussion. Let's do it.
I'm going with contestant number 5. She's been like super confident from the beginning. A little overconfident, but super confident from the beginning.
I'm going to say
money's
number 1. Yeah.
Why?
Only a disgusting gym bro will crush a banana like that and give him the shake, bro. So I think it's number 1.
I think it's her. The way she put like a measured and put the protein powder.
Yeah.
I think it's her. From the start, from the beginning, I thought it was her.
I want to vote for number 1, but it's tie again.
So, use your brain, Arnav.
I have to vote for number 1.
Why?
Because I think he's been silent because he just knows that he can prove it through his like exercises that he is the gym guy, and he's been just silent throughout because like he's never been overcompensating with any information. We got his answers right all along.
This is why you get manipulated in life.
I'm gonna change my vote to number 5 then.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, flipper.
She didn't get a single question wrong. We've made our decisions. Can we have all the contestants quickly come back to the lineup? 5 dhamakedar rounds. We've made our decision. We have locked in on contestant number 5. And we're feeling good, right? We're feeling confident.
Yeah.
We're all
Yeah.
snacking, we're all cheating on our
Little
diets
too
here.
confident.
Can the real gym bro reveal themselves? Yeah.
I'm changing my vote. It's him.
Wait, what?
Huh?
Wait, what?
No, bro.
Wait, wait. What? It's you. What? What are you saying?
Oh, I think Jonty isn't to blame.
No, like we voted her out so early on, and she's the tiniest one. Okay, she could not figure out if always shorty.
Flex also, I have biceps.
Okay, flex.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
We've never been this wrong in our whole life.
Wait.
Crazy!
Wait. So then what? My pride. Everything that I worked for. This episode was my idea. I voted her out, and she did 30 push-ups, and I voted her out. And I kept 2 idiots who made me drink. The banana still stuck. That sounds crazy, but the banana still stuck in my. Well, again, guys, I don't know what this says as us as a panel, but we got it wrong. Congratulations, contestant number 5. You win the cash prize. This has been Fake ID. This has been your panel. Subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for more.
See you.